Are you looking to take your retirement savings to the next level, but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? You've worked hard to build your nest egg, and now it's time to make sure it's working for you, safely. But how do you protect what's yours in an uncertain world? Well, let's talk about something that could be a game changer: EquityNet. Today, we're going to break down how it works, who it's for, and whether it's a good fit for you as an American retiree. EquityNet is an online investment platform, but it's not your typical one. It's a bit different. Instead of just offering stocks or bonds, it's built around equity crowdfunding. That means you're investing in startups or private companies at an early stage. Sounds exciting, right? But it's also risky. If you're thinking about diversifying your portfolio, especially if you've got a significant amount saved up in an IRA or 401k, it's important to weigh the risks carefully. Here's what you need to know. Investing in startups is not like investing in traditional stocks. Startups are volatile, and while they offer massive upside potential, they also come with the very real possibility of loss. For retirees, the idea of taking risks can be a little nerve-wracking, especially when you're at a stage where you're looking to protect and grow your wealth in a secure way. So, the key question here is this the right move for your retirement? Let's break it down. The first thing to understand about EquityNet is that it offers direct access to early-stage companies that need funding. If you're the kind of person who likes to get in on the ground floor of something big, this might be appealing. You're essentially becoming an investor in a private business, where you might see massive returns if they succeed. But here's the catch: startups fail. In fact, statistics show that over 90% of startups fail. So, if you're considering putting your retirement money into these types of investments, it's crucial to do your homework and understand the risk. Another thing to note is that, unlike traditional stocks, the investment can be less liquid. You might not be able to sell your stake as easily as you would a stock. So, if you need quick access to funds, this may not be the best route for you. Plus, many of the startups on EquityNet are in the early stages, so they can take years to really pay off or even get acquired or go public. So, what does this mean for you, the retiree? Well, it comes down to how much risk you're willing to take on. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, the last thing you want to do is risk a big portion of your savings in something uncertain. If you've worked hard to save and you're looking for stability, there may be better options that balance security with growth. But here's the thing: gold IRAs. They've been a reliable way for retirees to protect their savings for decades. Gold, as an asset, has proven to hold its value, no matter what happens in the market. Whether you're facing a stock market downturn, inflation, or political unrest, gold can act as a hedge, preserving your wealth in ways that startups and even bonds can't. Now, I'm not saying EquityNet isn't a good option for some people. If you're younger and willing to take on more risk, this could be a great opportunity to diversify. But for those of you who've worked your whole lives to build a nest egg and want peace of mind in your retirement years, gold could be the safer, more reliable choice. Here's the best part. We've put together a free gold IRA guide specifically for people like you, with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about using gold to protect and grow your savings. And, if you're interested, we also offer a no-obligation educational call where we'll talk through your situation and help you figure out if a gold IRA is a good fit. The truth is, you've worked hard to get to where you are, and your savings deserve protection. No gimmicks, no pressure. Just an honest, one-on-one conversation about the best way to safeguard your future. You've earned that peace of mind, and now it's time to make sure your retirement is secure. So, don't wait. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your call today. Let's make sure your retirement is as safe and secure as possible for you and for future generations.